Hello, and welcome to Surveillance Bridge. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Surveillance Bridge plugin to recover your Milestone XProtect storage from a disaster. To prepare for a disaster scenario, you need to install the Surveillance Bridge plugin and then set it up accordingly. You can find more information about these steps in a separate video. In this environment, the Milestone XProtect management client is currently running, but no camera data is being recorded. Surveillance Bridge has detected a disaster, as indicated by the warning signs and the big red message. The connection between our recording server and its storage appears to be disrupted. A red blinking dot confirms that the server is not running properly. As a result of this failure, the replication percentage bar is zeroed out and paused. Do not try to mount a new drive at this point, as that would not help. To start the recovery, click the Disaster Recovery Wizard button. This will open a wizard divided into 4 required steps. Make sure to read all of the prerequisites first. In order for the process to work as expected, you should prepare 1 or more replacement disks for each affected storage, and you should not mount a storage volume using the same drive letter as the failed one right now. It is also crucial to not restart your recording server while the recovery procedure is happening. By clicking Next, you'll be taken to the first step of the disaster recovery, stopping the recording server. The second step, mounting volumes, involves attaching a replacement disk for every failed recording server and to format it to NTFS. You then need to give the new disk a drive letter which matches one of the affected storage. Currently, a red cross indicates that we have not fulfilled this condition. We will open Disk Management and assign a new letter to our disk. Upon successful replacement, the correct volume will be detected, as illustrated by a green check mark. Click Next to proceed to the third step, recovering your storage. Here we simply need to confirm that we want the disaster recovery to occur for a particular failed storage. If you happen to have more than one volume affected, the disaster recovery wizard can be run for all of them together or separately for every single volume. Once the process completes, the failed recording server will be started again, but it may take a few minutes for all metadata to be restored. Click Finish to close the wizard. If we check the management client, we can see that all the warnings are gone and the camera data is being rescanned. The dot next to our server is blinking green, indicating a running state. Eventually, data will once again be synchronized with the cloud. This concludes our video showing you how to recover your storage volume with the disaster recovery feature of the Surveillance Bridge plugin. Thank you for viewing.